Welcome back to my kitchen. Yes, once again I got Jackson and Tyreek, my nephew, videotaping me. But what's on the menu? Shepherd's pie. And this is the American version because the original version is made with minced lamb. I have hamburger the way we do here in the States. So guys, what you're going to need? Some hamburger. I'm making a small one. This is a small pack of hamburger. Your favorite casserole dish. This is really going to be small. I have about 6 or 7 potatoes, white potatoes, already boiled, diced up and soft, ready for me to make. I have some peas and carrots, diced onion, Parmesan cheese, sour cream, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, and butter, minced garlic. So what we're going to do right now, are you getting me real good, Jackson? It's okay. We're going to let this hamburger cook. Once the hamburger cook, you guys, I'm going to drain the grease off, saute the onions and the minced garlic together, and then put the hamburger back in it, and we're going to put it in my favorite casserole dish, make some garlic mashed potatoes, throw in some of that Parmesan cheese. It is going to be so great. Thank you, Soul Squad, for supporting, watching all our channels that we have between me and Brandon. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back when the hamburger is done. So guys, if you are wondering about the kind of darkness and the way the light is looking, because my kitchen light went out, got to get to Home Depot, so I got my little Brandon's light up here that he used for his reactions. So, and got the dining light on and a little hallway light on. So I hope this gives you guys as much light possible. I was not going to let this light stop me from making this video. And I didn't say before, make sure you season your hamburger. Let me see. It's done. Ooh. Make sure you season your hamburger with your seasoning, your favorite seasons that you like for your burger. Okay.
Yeah, Tony, you about to crush.
Not yet.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh
go in, baby.
Ooh. Dropping some of my burger.
There you
Lord, go. Drain the grease off. Okay, but I want to leave a little bit of that grease in there.
Let me see.
You know why I want to leave a little bit of that grease in there, you guys? So I'm ready to put in the onions. I want to leave a little bit of that grease in there for the onions. Turn the stove back on. And you know what, Jack?
Yeah.
I need a paper plate. Hey, so turn the stove back. Ooh, turn on the wrong stove. I'm going to turn this back on, you guys. I let some of that grease from the hamburger. It'll come up some of you good. You know what you're doing? You got this?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm throwing in my onions. This is a half a chopped onion. That's all this is, a half a chopped onion. And I'm going to put in a teaspoon of minced garlic. My hand is greasy. Oh. My hand greasy. That's not strong.
Ooh.
Now this must be you know what? I must have more than one of these because I already had one that was open.
Sizzle, sizzle.
I don't know what this is at. I must have already had 2 of these because I just used one the other day and that one was open. I know, I'm sorry you guys. Okay. About a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. If you decide to use fresh garlic, you guys.
That smells really good. It's like.
If you decide to use fresh garlic, you only need like maybe 1 clove and chop it up. I'm letting them sweat just a little bit before I add my hamburger and all the good stuff in here. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching me on my journey on my SoulfulT2. I didn't put a video up this week because I've been going through a lot of stuff. My sister had a surgery and watching all the kids, doing a lot of back and forth with the taking everybody to school, picking people up from school, taking care of my sister's house and this house. I've been so busy, but we gotta eat, so you know a food video gonna go up, right? The kids gotta eat. And guys, with your oven, this will go on 375. So let me go ahead and preheat this oven. Oh, look at that, turn it brown. That is good, it's popping. So Jackson, you can watch that.
Okay.
I'm gonna reach behind you.
Okay.
And just get the hamburger.
Hamburger.
Get my hamburger that I drained the grease off, you guys. This smells good.
I'm saying the same thing when you first cook it. I just smell bones.
Did you? And we're gonna mix the onions and the hamburger up together. That is so good. Mix the onions. If you like more onions, all means put more onions in yours. But I don't like that many onions. So, but I'm not even eating this actually. So I should have went on there what I need to do. Now, I'll go in there with 1 tablespoon. Guys, I eyeball everything. 1 tablespoon of ketchup because it gives a little sweetness. Now, if you don't like the sweetness, you can use a tablespoon of tomato paste. Okay? And with that being said, I'm going to stir it up. This is 1 tablespoon of ketchup. That's all you need. About 1.5 teaspoons. Ooh, and I'm cooking up hot and it's smelling good. About 1.5 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. You gotta have that Worcestershire sauce in there, okay? And let me just get that ketchup stirred up. If you don't know what it smells like, it smells great in here. Like the Worcestershire sauce, the ketchup, the onions, and the garlic, all mixed up in here, okay? Now, with that being said,
Why they wish they could smell this?
yeah, smell-o-vision. I'm going in. I'm not going to use this whole bag of vegetables, you guys. Only half, which I should already have it open. But they were frozen. You can use fresh. And I'm saying this is about 1 cup of these mixed vegetables. And you can use any. My mom like corn in hers. Since she isn't here, I decided to opt out of the corn. My vegetables are kind of frozen. And guys, this is simple as this. Drain the grease off, the ketchup, the Worcestershire sauce, your vegetables. I'm gonna let this simmer for about, I'm gonna put a top on it. But the vegetables could do what they do. Get a little softness to it. At least about 10 minutes or so on a medium heat, and we'll be right back with those mashed potatoes. Okay, everybody, we back. Look at this, Jackson. That's ready to do what it need to do. I'll put the top in the sink. You ain't got to show all that. I'm going to turn this off. And guys, this is what I want you to show. I'm doing garlic mashed potatoes. I lend my sister my blender. So I'm trying to use my pastry dough cutter to do what I need to do. So if my mashed potatoes be a little bit clunky, you guys, I kind of like them that way. But again, I won't be eating this. The kids will, but when Thanksgiving comes, I kind of like them that way. I put a little bit of salt and pepper in here already. And you make them the way you like them. You know, I go in with a little bit of sour cream with this dish right here. Because the way I make my homemade potatoes. So they're going to be nice and crunchy and filling for the kids. Okay. I'm going in. I can't open the sour cream. This is like 2 tablespoons of sour cream. This is like this is like 6 small. I did like 4 small potatoes and 3 real big potatoes. Okay. I got my milk sitting on the floor. Okay, guys. So I put in my milk, and I don't want to make it too thick because you want to save some of the moisture. So, let me use the spoon. Put this in the sink for me.
Thank you.
Can you reach back there? Just put it in the sink like that. Again, I don't have my mixer. If you have your mixer, your potatoes probably won't be as clumpy as mine. But once I get everything well to do, I don't know why I took it. I'm gonna put in some more.
That smells good.
Yes, but guess what? I got my sour cream, my Parmesan cheese. I'll put a little bit of that in there. This is about maybe a half a cup, because I want to say. So guys, I put in the cheese, about a half a cup of cheese. Again, my mashed potatoes is kind of lumpy because I use my masher, my pastry masher. But if you got your blender, you know, do what you do with yours. This is butter. Guys, that's butter, but 2 teaspoons. Hear me? 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Because my kids like that garlic flavor. And then to this, I'm adding 2 egg yolks. Why are you adding eggs to mashed potatoes? Remember, this is just not mashed potatoes. This is something that's going to bake on top of some hamburger and vegetables. So the egg yolk helps to give it like that golden crisp that you're looking for, that pretty color. So 2 egg yolks.
Ew.
Yes.
They look nasty.
It's going to taste awesome. So you never seen me make it before. So now that you actually see me make it. And the garlic and the butter smells so good. And see, and it's not dry. I didn't want it dry because I want it kind of loose like this. Because again, I wanted to give it that good texture and the moistness that it's going to need. And I'm just going to go in. Salt and pepper. You can taste the garlic. I'm just going to mash it up just a little bit more.
Mom, try a little piece. Please. I love you. Ooh.
Go in.
It's good.
Mashed potatoes, garlic mashed potatoes, right? So guys, even though I had a half a stick of butter and 2 tablespoons of garlic melted together, I didn't use all the butter. So you could just use 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and there you go. I mash it. Okay. Already drained that grease sauce. This is what I'm going in with. Your favorite casserole, favorite casserole dish.
Yeah.
And your stove should be preheated to 375. This got the onions and the garlic and the peas and the corn and good seasoning, the way you season your hamburger meat. And spread it out. This is a small, deep dish. And you just take your hamburger, take your mashed potatoes.
Oh, that look good. Yeah, Tanya, you know what you're doing. Go in.
Shut up, boy.
Yeah, girl.
And put it on top. And guys, it's fall. Okay?
Okay.
These are quick, delicious meals that's going to make your family feel all warm and toasty. My kids love the fall because I cook a lot. Because I cook a lot in the fall. When summertime and spring roll around, I do a lot of sandwiches, a lot of, you know, just me not cooking. But thanks to YouTube, they even got a couple of good dishes during the summer. So they owe you guys a big thank you. Say thank you, you guys.
Thank you.
Because in summertime, that was Andrew, guys. So guess what? This is great. I want every bit of my mashed potatoes today.
Mashed potatoes.
And I'm taking my last little bit. You don't have to use Parmesan cheese. You can use cheddar cheese. I like the Parmesan. And I'm taking that last little bit of that. And this will go in the oven on 375, you guys, for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. Until you see that nice golden brown. Look at that. That looks so perfect. The last thing I'm going to do is get a baking dish. Sit this on my baking dish. Put it in the oven. And we come back, you guys going to see the end result. Look at that.
Let me see.
That's the before. So guys, we are back. It's still good light in here.
Yeah,
you can see me.
Yeah,
Look at this. When I tell you, that's what the egg do. Give it that pretty brown. Now, ultimately, You want this to cool off, Soul Squad, for at least 15 minutes before you dig in. But guys, tonight is Wednesday. Empire's about to come on like in 5 minutes. This is dinner for the kids. But guess what, Soul Squad? It's Wednesday evening when I made this, but you guys getting it on Thursday, and it's my birthday.
Happy belated birthday, Mommy.
How you gonna be belated birthday? The birthday's not till tomorrow. So if they're looking at it today, which is Thursday, the 28th, it's my birthday. And I'm going to have fun on Friday, Soul Squad. I got the peeps coming over. We're going to play cards. We're going to do what we do here in my house on Fridays. It's been such a while. Why would you do that and we recording? Jackson Waller. We recording.
Are you gonna say my full name out there?
The government name. I put it out there. Soul Squad, before this video is over, please, guys, like, share, subscribe. Check out SoulfulT2. Videos coming for that next week. Again, I've been so busy.
Oh, let me see that, baby.
Yes. Let's just go into the corner of this, you guys. Because, again, normally, I would let this cool down for at least a good 30 minutes or so, you guys. Look how creamy it is. Look how juicy it looks.
Ooh.
With your mashed potatoes on top and everything. I don't even know how much anybody even wants.
Mom, this is my plate.
Jackson said this is his plate. So.
I don't want all that.
It could be Tyreek's plate.
No, it's mine. I picked it.
So, this smells so amazing. Take a what's that thing called? Thumbnail.
Unhold it.
Just hold it.
This.
No. Hold the camera on it, and it's a thumbnail. It's like hold the camera not on me, on the food. For a few seconds. Okay, guys.
Are we talking about the circle?
Look, did you see the food in the camera? You held it still for a minute or two? Okay. Don't stop it. Did you stop the camera?
No, Mom.
Don't stop the camera. Okay. No. Guys, he's still in training. He's learning. But he's a good fill-in person when Brandon is out and about. Guys, this shepherd's pie is my version. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. Again, thanks for supporting everything that I do. Yeah.
Hurry up.
Why? Because everybody coming on?
Yeah.
Okay, we got to hurry up. He won't
I'm trying to eat too.
Oh, he's trying to eat too. So guys, like share, subscribe. Thank you, Soul Squad. I'm out. I'm using seasoned salt and pepper on here just because I got the green peppers and the onions that's gonna do the extra work for me. And yeah.